authentic Chinese wonton soup with sesame oil and green onions. Enjoy.
Anh định dùng cái nhiều, cái này mới nhiều ạ.
No, so we have about 2 cups of chives here. So here we have 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Then you add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We use olive oil here. And then you put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oyster flavor sauce. So put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oyster flavor sauce. Put in a teaspoon of sugar. So we have some chicken soup base. So put a teaspoon in. So I have this this brand, Knorr's. And then put in a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then we're going to crack an egg. So you can use a fork or chopsticks just to mix the ingredients with the chives. So we have 1 pound of ground pork here. So put all the chive mixture into the ground pork. You mix the mixture with a pair of chopsticks or a fork. So you can add more chives if you like, or less pork. That's really up to you. So the proportion is what we usually do it for wonton. So we just have the packaged wonton. You can make your own wonton, but we just use the packaged wonton. It's a lot faster. It's usually thinner than the homemade wonton if you make it yourself. So that's an option. I have some videos about making homemade wonton skin, so you can check that out too if you like. So we're just going to make a few wontons here. Yeah, so you can put different kind of filling in there. You can use pork, you can add shrimp or prawns, you can add chicken. So this is an easy way to wrap the wonton. Just bring all the corners together, give the wontons a little twist. So put 1 to 2 teaspoons of filling in the wonton and just bring the corners together. There's egg in the filling, so it's easy to stick together. So just give the corners a little twist when you bring them together. Water boiling, so we've got some pork bones and chicken bones. Add a couple pieces of ginger and boil the soup stock for about an hour. Just cover it with a lid and boil at low to medium heat. The soup has been going for about an hour, so just add about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of salt. So you can boil the wonton just in plain water. The broth you already have ready. So now the wonton has floated to the top. Usually I let the wonton cook an extra 30 seconds or more. So just put the wonton into a bowl like this. And I like to add some sesame oil. This is the pure sesame oil. So just shake about half a teaspoon in there. This brings out a nice fragrance in your wonton. So if you like, you can also add a handful of green onions. So I just add that right in the middle there. So there you have it, authentic Chinese wonton soup with sesame oil and green onions. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.